EcoBite burger wrap. I think a lot of good thought has been given, especially on the point of sustainability and the consumer health and safety aspect. Yeah, because this is PFSA free. At the same time, the ORG coating has been done just to make it oil and grease resistant. So I think hats off to company also that they are thinking about customer health and safety, which is really come out very well. So a good example of sustainability and innovation. Thank you so much.
So I would like to first highlight this one particular sample because this as a package looks very clean, neat, minimalistic. However, if we look at the features of it and the materials that have been used in terms of components, it has cardboard, and then the brand and the converters has been really conscious of the environment, I would say. I would not say in terms of claiming it, but at least they were sensible enough to choose the material. They've used 100% organic cotton here. Plus, you know, the way they have conceptualized this is for sure it's a kid's line. But what they had done, and that's written in the description, is they had an idea which they fed the input to the AI. AI helped them create a visualization, an idea of how that can be put to life. And this is one example wherein it's a vanity. They had to create very specific examples. So it's a vanity, pretty usable. You can give your products to it. Same for this, you just open the box and look at the features that they've given. I mean, you just pull it out, so easy and convenient. And when I read the whole description of how they've done this entire product, the way they have tested the consumer experience, as in when I'm pulling it out, when I have to pull this drawer out, the smooth functioning of it, I think this is all what consumer is looking at. It is hassle free, it is convenient to use, and I think very attractive because that will stand out on the shelf. The only thing that I feel can be improved on these particular packages, the entire support material that they've used to protect the product from falling out or staying in place is not made of a sustainable material. So we can be a little choiceful in using materials that are more kind of recyclable or reusable so that it just doesn't go to waste and increases the load on landfill.
Got it.
I have picked up some of the good samples which shows, you know, like the brilliant idea in case of innovation, like this label which is, it turns, the wings gets open when it turn on the bottle. So it gives the exceptional idea of creativity, innovation. So I like this much.
This is what something that actually overwhelmed me today. If you look at this carton and in terms of the progression, I would say the liquor industry have actually gone leap bounds in terms of creating these special effects, and they were always being pioneer. But what I'm actually seeing now is some of the Indian brands, local made Indian whiskey brands, they are actually going for such a good tactile finishes. You can see this brand, a Kala Patthar, a very quirky kind of a name to say, but having a leathery kind of a finish on a background. This is another one that actually kind of personally I liked. If you look at this carton closely, you would actually feel that this is a vinyl kind of a printing that has happened. And again, in terms of reproduction, this piece has been, the accuracy of printing, the registration has been so well, and this is really delightful to kind of, you know, hold this kind of a piece of art in your hands.
Just to share some of the samples, I felt this is one of the kulfi packaging. So this I chose that it is not only printing, it is also to do with the material structure quite a lot. Kulfi requires a refrigeration condition. However, in this they have not only thought about structure, they also have put in the kind of slots for even preserving it and having the slot for dry ice so that it remains. So it's a, I found it to be amazing, and kudos to the people who thought of it and did the structural design as well as then the printing.
Sure.
The other one I felt is this sample. which looks like a kind of metal packaging and very sturdy as well. So it gives a very grand look and premium look with kinds of bells and all. While opening it, it has got inside, and then there's a music which gets played, and it automatically gets switched off also. So and there is a slot for things inside. So I found it to be very thoughtful.
Two categories I have selected for. The one is definitely on the sustainability trend, right? So that's the buzz for the industry and how it is being incorporated in printing and then a conversion process as such. So when I see this Nivea label as such, right? So I've gone through the details, technical details, and this comes with a wash off adhesive, right? Which adds to the sustainability and end of line circularity. So it will be very much easy to recycle this. That's one concept.
So first I would like to show this sample. This is from Britannia.
Yep.
This is made with a paper which is from 100% Mealy board.
Yeah.
So this is definitely very difficult to process, but it carries a story of sustainability. This creates the awareness in the consumers. So the supplier, they had actually gone beyond their capability to really manufacture it. So this already shows that enthusiasm is there.
Yeah.
This is the carton from Nykaa. So this is actually a story of simplicity. At the same time, this shows the elegance, premiumization, the effect that you see, the velvety look. And then this foil stamping, this actually stands out.
Yeah.
So first, I would like to showcase this chef special. Basically, this is something first time I could see. Basically, usually on the boards it's a poly extrusion coating done, but this time I could see this is I think CPP coated on the board, and that is actually giving this board the package food being packed inside this, giving that micro enable stuff we can impart to the entire packaging. So specific for airlines and all, it's very good, and it is having a good feature. They have given like the perforations. So as the wrap you consumes, you can just tear it off. So it is a very good convenience feature has been added into this pack. I think good innovation, and I think a lot of brand owners will pick up this in due course.
Yeah. What have they done? Water-based coating, is it? No.
So it's a CPP
coat.
lamination. Usually extrusion poly coating
Correct.
on board they do, but this is something.
Yeah.